Hello, we arrived in Bangkok. I hope you enjoyed my little half sunrise.
Yeah.
That's a word? Sunrise.
Yeah.
So we're in front of the Hermitage Hotel.
Which is pretty much like the only.
Yeah, the only hotel.
The only pretty much really good hotel.
There's only like a YJ and another backpacker.
Yeah.
Basically. But it's gorgeous. Look at this. This looks amazing.
It's pretty awesome.
Again, it just looks so much better when you're live here.
Yeah, I agree.
We are doing heli hike. It looks like a pretty good day and it's supposed to last all day.
Yeah.
So we're hoping that we're gonna get to do all the stuff that we want to do.
Hopefully. One thing I would say, guys, it's definitely worth some sun cream.
Yeah.
Because when you're this high
Don't
up,
forget the
holy
sunscreen.
sugar. The sun's like. Hello.
So we got dropped off at the helicopter line station. Airport.
Airport. Yep.
So there's the helicopter line. Helicopter?
Yeah.
There's actually a plane. Ski plane. Looks like a ski plane anyway. There.
Be on one of those tomorrow.
Possibly, if the weather is good.
The weather's good. Fingers crossed.
I mean, the weather now is beautiful, so I'm happy that we actually have a good day today. We had to fill in this waiver form and you know when we die and etc.
We get hit by an avalanche.
Horrible.
Not our fault. But I'm excited. we got back off the heli hike, that was wicked, and now we're doing the Glacier Adventures, which is actually rated one of the top things to do here, so we're really excited. Apparently we're going to go on a boat and park up next to an iceberg, so nice and chill. Hello, how you doing?
Cut too. Yeah, we just finished the boat. I'm completely done for the day really. Heli hike, although I don't know what it really is, to be honest. Maybe my body's just exhausted from all the days and the like minimum amount of sleep that we had.
On another point, I'm feeling awesome, so you know. I
mean that levels it out kind of.
Possibly. I think
oh, you're just feeding up my energy.
Possibly, or maybe I think you need a little sleep. Very cool.
Cool view.
Ah, lovely. There you go.
Huh. There you go. Hey guys.
We got binoculars.
This is basically our view.
We've got puppies. Right.
Hey guys.
We got binoculars.
This is basically our view.
We've got puppies.
We are probably going to get some form of rest now because, yeah, as we said, we had a really long day. If anything exciting is going to happen, we will obviously inform you. But otherwise, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. But this is our morning view. I can't really see anything.
However, last night you could get an amazing view, which we're going to show off.
Yeah.
With 360.
With 360. And it's rainy and cloudy. This is, by the way, no, see, that's no sun, that's just light. Tell us about the tragic beginning of the day.
What was tragic?
Oh, we couldn't do the...
Oh, yeah, we could do the aeroplane ski plane, which is a little bit sad because we really wanted to do it. However, we will be back at some point to do the ski plane.
We're on our way to Tekapo to catch our bus to Christchurch. Yeah. That's it really. Not very exciting. Weather's horrible. Very cloudy and miserable.